Good morning, basics. So I have a very exciting news to share. So I'm going to Shillong. Yeah. So today I'm going to Shillong with my friend, and yeah, this is um, after a long time I'm going to Shillong actually, and I was having too much work here. I was busy and it was such a hectic schedule. So I just thought to give myself a little bit relaxation, and yeah. So I thought to chalo Shillong Shelter because that's the nearest tourist destination in Guwahati. Leave it. Okay, so I'm already late. I told my friend to come at 9, but I wake up at 9 itself. So yeah. So let's get freshen up, and yeah, I will see you after I get ready.
One eternity later.
So as you can see, I'm almost ready. So this is my fit. It's a printed shirt. So before going, एक बहुत important step होता है skin care. अभी comment section में मत बोलना that skin care is only for girls. It's for everyone. We are going to Shillong. We are going to Shillong, and before I was like coming out of my room, मेरी चाबी खो गई. So कलेश मुझे छोड़ता ही नहीं है. So yeah, I got late, and that's why they are angry. Sir is angry. Yeah. But I can't help it.
I love to sit near the window seat and to see the surroundings. I don't know, like I have some kind of special connection with the nature, I think. बहुत अच्छा लगता है खिड़की के सामने बैठ के नज़ारा देखना. And yeah, it was really beautiful, and the weather was especially really good the day we went towards Shillong. Weather धीरे धीरे ठंडा होते जा रहा था because Guwahati is very hot, but Shillong is Shillong. Since we didn't have our breakfast, so we came to this hotel to have our morning tea. And जाते वक्त मैंने कुछ पाइनएप्पल्स एंड मार्शमैलोज खरीद लिए थे. पहले तो मुझे लग रहा था कि ये च्युइंगम है, उसके बाद पता चला दैट इट्स मार्शमैलो. वाओ. एंड यहाँ जर्नी के वक्त अगर शिलोंग के पाइनएप्पल्स नहीं खाए तो क्या खाए. लिटरली इट वाज सो यम्मी. यम यम यम.
Shut up. So I got pineapples. एक हाथ से टेस्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. It was good. And now where we are going? Shillong. I forgot. What? We're in Nongpo. I don't know this place. Let me tell you a secret. Last time when I came in Shillong, I was a baby. My father and mother came for a honeymoon with me.
Sometimes I just feel that I am in a movie. That I am the main character, and this is my story. I know I'm being delusional, but Delulu is the Solulu.
So we are stuck in traffic. कुछ ज़्यादा ही देर तक we got stuck in traffic, but still it's better than Guwahati का traffic. But yeah, I don't know.
you know, but the weather here is very nice. It's like there is a sense of peace in it, you know, and calmness in it. And if you're coming from like different cities, especially if you're coming from a very busy city, you know, one tier cities, or even if you're coming from Guwahati, it's a perfect place to relax, you know, make your mind calm and all that. So it's really good. So yeah, please add Shillong in your bucket list. It's so beautiful, as I'm showing you, and I will show you. And yeah, it's a beautiful place indeed. So we reached at Shillong, and we are in this lake. This lake is called as Wards Lake. So it's so beautiful, as I have shown you some glimpse of it. So it's really beautiful, and it's such a lovely weather, you know. हवाएं चल रही है, ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं
और हवा के साथ साथ हम भी चल रहे हैं.
and it's a really nice place. And yeah, so अभी भूख लगी है मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा, and इनको भी भूख लगी. So we're gonna have something. मतलब मैं इनको मतलब मैं फ्रेंड में रिस्पेक्ट से बुलाता हूँ. So we are gonna have something to eat. Most probably I would like to try some local dishes, but yeah, let's see what we can get. So now we are at Shillong's Police Bazaar. So it's a very big bazaar. It's a famous bazaar of Shillong, right? It's a famous bazaar of Shillong, yeah, Police Bazaar. So it's a very nice place, as you can see. It's a nice place and very crowded. So I decided to do a voiceover because the streets were really busy. बहुत ज़्यादा हल्ला हो रहा था. So we are looking for someone. Actually, we are going to meet one of our common friend, and we are finding him. These streets were very much crowded क्योंकि Shillong it's a very tourist place, and बहुत सारे लोग out of station आते हैं यहाँ पे to spend their weekend or vacation. So yeah, so I had to do a voiceover here, and after a little while we find our friend, and then we had chai.
और चाय पीने के बाद हम डायरेक्टली वार्ड्स लेक को देखने चले गए. सच्ची में बहुत सुंदर था.
So this is Watts Lake, and so we are here, and it's a very good environment. You can see it's very beautiful, and I will show you some more clips of it soon. So yeah, it's like very pretty, and I personally love it. Stop judging me, don't look here.
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
So bad.
Done. People say beauty lies in the eyes of the viewer. Well, if this is not beauty, then tell me what it is. This lake has, sort of a peaceful energy, and yeah, this lake is the true definition of calm to my chaos.
फिर हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम शिलोंग के एक फेमस चर्च में जाएंगे, बट आई स्वेयर टू गॉड उस चर्च तक जाने का रास्ता वाज वेरी टायरिंग.
Now we came out from the Wards Lake, and now we are going to the church.
So there's a very famous church. I forgot the name, Mary Church or something. Let me ask it. So I'm going to the church, and like now we are going to the church, and it's a little bit far, so we have to walk like 24 minutes ka walk. So we have to go there, and yeah. But let me show you the weather. It's so beautiful. Very good. Let me show you.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call her. I think it's hard how we always wait another day.
अब पता चलेगा असली कार्डियो किसे कहते हैं. सो इनके ऊपर हमें चढ़ना था. सो हम चढ़ते गए एंड गॉड, जो व्यू हमने देखा, इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल.
So we are currently at the Cathedral Church, right?
Cathedral of Mary Hell.
Mary Hell. So it's a very old church in Shillong.
बोल.
ये पहाड़ मुझे बहुत फैसिनेट करता है. पता नहीं क्या है. एक दिन कोशिश की थी, वहाँ तक चढ़ गया था.
कहाँ
सीधे
तक?
निकल जाऊंगा पहाड़ पे.
कहाँ, कौन से वाले पहाड़ तक ब्रो?
अपनी पहाड़ों वाली दुनिया.
He's lying in a public camera.
अपनी पहाड़ों वाली दुनिया.
अपनी पहाड़.
लैला आजा.